Hi, in this lab we will see how to create internet gateway and how to add a entry into the custom route table which we created earlier with respect to internet gateway, and then we will try to take the remote of the virtual machine. Internet gateway which will help us to create inbound and outbound connection to the internet so that we can take RDP of our virtual machine, and also from our virtual machine or EC2 instance we can browse internet, etc. So to create internet gateway, so we need to go to the VPC dashboard. So under VPC dashboard, we have an option called internet gateway over here. So we need to select internet gateway, and then we need to click on create internet gateway. So here we need to enter the name. So I'm going to define a name as VDA hyphen demo hyphen internet gateway. So once we define the name, we can simply click on create internet gateway. So it will take some time to create the internet gateway. So let's refresh this and we'll see our internet gateway is ready. So as you can see, our internet gateway is ready, which is vda-demo-igw. Under state it is saying detached, so it means this internet gateway, it is not connected to any virtual network or VPC. So now we need to connect this to the VPC, which is our demo VPC or VDI demo VPC. So to do that, we need to select that particular internet gateway and then click on action. And here we need to click on attach VPC. So once we are here, then we can select a VPC. So this is our VPC, which is VDI-VPC. So once you select your VPC, then you can click on attach internet gateway. Now what we have done, we created a internet gateway and then we attach that internet gateway to this particular VPC. So now any traffic which is going out of this particular VPC, it will use this particular internet gateway. Similarly, any traffic which is coming into this VPC or into any virtual machines under this VPC, it will come over this internet gateway, so that you are able to access your VMs, or you can able to access any outbound or internet access from this particular VPC or virtual machines inside this particular VPC. So let's go back to our EC2 instance and we'll see, are we able to take the remote of the VM or any extra configuration is required. I'll click on connect. So as you can see, still it is not able to connect. So as you know, we already have the internet gateway, but there is one more component which is required, which is we need to add some routing in our route table. So once the internet gateway deployment is completed, we need to go to our VPC. So here I have the subnet, which is prod vda hyphen subnet. So in this subnet I have deployed the internet gateway, and also in this subnet I have my virtual machine, which is, so as you can see, if you go to the networking, this particular VM is in prod vda subnet. So similarly, we deployed our internet gateway also in the prod vda subnet. Now, as you remember, earlier we created a route table which is custom hyphen route, and we associated this particular route table in the prod vda subnet. So now we need to add an entry into the routing table of this particular route table. So to add the entry, we'll go to the edit routes, and then we'll enter any traffic which is 0.0.0.0/0 should go to the internet gateway. So it means I'm sending all my traffic to the internet gateway which is related to internet, so that it can communicate to the internet, and also it applies to inbound as well as outbound traffic. So I have associated to the IGW over here. Now I'm going to click on save changes. So now it is associated with the route table. So now we'll see how the behavior when we try to take the RDP of the virtual machine. Let's click on connect. So as you can see, you are not able to connect again. So we have one more component which is security groups. So we need to allow our traffic in the security group also. So let's go back and we will allow in the security group as well.